Method 1. Disable startup programs. We often ignore such programs. They start automatically when you start the computer, take up hard disk space, and slow down the operating system. You can disable them to make Windows 11 faster. Open the Task Manager, then click Startup to see the startup programs. Right-click on the programs you want to set and choose Disable. Method 2. Delete temporary files. Temporary files refer to the files that are created when you download and install programs. Usually, they are automatically deleted when the program's finished, but sometimes they may stay in the drive and take up much drive space. Right-click the C drive, then click Properties and Disk Cleanup. It will scan your C drive and calculate the space you can free up. Please select the files you want to delete and click OK. Method 3. Disable visual effect. The view effect of Windows 11 can slow down the operating system due to taking up more GPU load. Click Windows and input View Advanced System Settings to open it. Click Advanced and Settings in turn. Tick Show Thumbnails instead of icons and smooth edges of screen font. Click OK to save all settings. Method 4. Free up space. If your Windows 11 is slow due to insufficient disk space, you can use Storage Sense to free up space for speeding up Windows 11. Open Settings, then click Storage. Turn on the Storage Sense, then select Unneeded Files. Method 5. AOMEI Partition Assistant. If none of the above methods can solve the problem, you can turn to AOMEI Partition Assistant Professional. Now, I'm going to show you how to use this software to make your Windows 11 faster. If you find it useful, please download it in the description. In order to speed up Windows 11, you can extend available space on the C drive by allocating free space from another drive to C. Right-click Drive D and select Allocate Free Space. Set the size and choose the C drive, then click OK. Hit Apply to commit the whole operation. Defragment the drive can also speed up your system. Right-click the target disk and select Disk Defrag. Click Schedule. Select the C drive and preset defrag frequency, then you can decide on what conditions to defrag. You can also choose to start the defragment when startup or log in the computer. AOMEI Partition Assistant is a piece of powerful disk management software integrated with multiple versatile functions like Migrate OS, Convert MBR and GPT, App Mover, Recover Data. Thanks for watching till here. I'll see you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave comments or email us.